Yun naman po is image matching. So, the word image matching, kagaya lang po ng matching test natin kanina, or matching type test. Same lang po yun. Kaya lang, sa halip na parehas pong text na match natin, we're going to have to upload an image or picture. And then match the following to the other side. Set up the question options. This is our image mouse. Oops. Ganun po, ano? Mouse. Mouse. Okay. And the other is, it should be keyboard and image keyboard. Update. Save and so, ganun po. So, check po dito sa ating student side kung ano po magiging itsura niya. So, natin start quiz. So, ito po siya. Paparse pa yung picture. Talip na yung title po niya is text din. Ngayon po is picture. Match mouse to mouse. Keyboard to keyboard. Submit. Correct. So, kapag tama parehas, 1 point. Ay, 2 points pala. So, that's according to the settings. Walang po mangyayari. 2 points. So, ideal po ganun ang gawin natin. Ano? 2 points. Identify nila parehas, 2 points. Kaya lang, pag nagkami lang isa, wrong answer. Parang right minus wrong anong yan. Well, that's it. Paano mo mag-set up ng image